The Iowa Supreme Court is taking up the Davenport collapse case tomorrow. At the same time, voters will narrow down candidates for Davenport mayor. Maddie France joins us in studio to show us what those arguments will look like and how the candidates would address the lawsuit. Good evening, Maddie.
Hey, John. Yeah, the class action lawsuit alleging the city of Davenport was negligent in the collapse of 324 Main Street has been in limbo for months. It's waiting on a decision from the Iowa Supreme Court about whether the city and 2 employees can be held liable. While that decision won't come tomorrow, each candidate for mayor has a different plan for how the city will move forward. The oral arguments in front of the Iowa Supreme Court will go quick. Each side has 15 minutes, and the city gets an extra 5 for rebuttal. The city claims it has qualified immunity under Iowa code and can't be held financially liable. But collapse victims' attorneys claim qualified immunity doesn't apply to negligence.
By and large, other people are controlling that process.
Jason Gordon says it will be up to the courts and the legal department on how the city handles the lawsuit, no matter what the Supreme Court decides. He says he's focused on preventing another collapse.
So my question would be, are we staffed appropriately? Do we have the right number of inspectors? Do they have the right skill sets?
That also includes updating city code to financially punish negligent landlords.
The fact that we are all still kind of wondering bothers me.
Jim Hughescamp says he wants all information surrounding the collapse available and accessible. He plans to put the lawsuits behind the city.
We have them. They happened. We have to deal with them. We just need to deal with them and move forward.
So hopefully we get a decision. So there's no way to tell what to do until that happens.
Judith Lee says there's a big settlement on the line depending on how the court rules. If it decides the city is liable, she'll defer to the legal department.
And maybe bring in an outside firm that has not been involved at all and talk over the options of settling, carrying them through.
We need to heal from that. We need to grow, and we need to be positive.
Todd Perks says he wants the city to settle the lawsuits no matter what the Supreme Court decides.
But we still need to settle. We need to get it over with. I don't think that really affects it.
Again, the Supreme Court won't issue a decision tomorrow. The judges have to write an opinion, then revise it until a majority agree on the ruling. The court doesn't have a time estimate on how long that might take. John?
All right, Maddie, thank you.